Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can buy Bitcoin in Serbia. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase, and Coinbase is an amazing company and they are providing a way how you can buy Bitcoin. And when you're gonna buy $100 of Bitcoin, you will get $10 for free. So you come here in Coinbase and you're gonna be dashboard, you click here on Bitcoin. And now on a buy, you just write 100 euro, for example, buy Bitcoin. And you can also pay with card, you can add your bank account, wire, euro wallet, really up to you. And when you got it, click here, preview buy. And you see it here that this is how much Bitcoin I'm gonna get for this amount of fee. This is like okay-ish. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.